Okay, this is our 10-tonner crane and it is attached to a Daewoo truck with 11.5 tons capacity. We just changed the air tank of this truck. So the air system is all perfect. This is fully reconditioned. The crane is from Dongyang and again, it has a 10-ton lifting capacity, 6-section boom, and it can stretch up to 23 meters. So these are the outriggers. They all underwent a crack test before we imported them here in the Philippines. This unit is fully reconditioned and this is how it looks like. It has wood sidings and steel flooring. So this is a telescopic boom. The tires are all brand new. Under chassis is perfect, no damage. And this is ready for pull out with complete papers available through cash or financing. The inside is also very clean with new mattings and new seat cover. The truck's brand is